Since 2023, iPhones use USB-C ports instead of Lightning. This allows connecting external storage devices directly. For USB drives SSDs, use a USB-C to USB-A adapter. For SD cards, use a USB-C SD card reader. Format drives as FAT32 for basic compatibility, or exFAT for large files over 4 gigabytes. NTFS drives are read-only without third-party apps. When connected, your iPhone will request permission to access the device. Then open the Files app to browse and transfer your files. Keep in mind that large hard disk drives may need external power to function properly. The demand for external storage is rising because of the increasing costs of iCloud storage. SSDs are becoming more popular due to their speed and durability. While adapters are currently necessary, future iPhones might include native expandable storage options or better wireless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.3 or Wi-Fi 7 to reduce cable dependency. Keep an eye out for iOS updates that may improve external storage support further, like wider file system compatibility.